welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika and I do post makeup related videos on this channel. And if you are seeing my face for the first time, or if you are someone who watch my videos but haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a very fun makeup challenge. I'll be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. So I've seen so many creators doing this challenge, so I also wanted to do this. So if you are really interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching.
I'm setting the timer for 5 minutes and now let's start the makeup. So I'll be starting by applying foundation, and this is from Maybelline Fit Me. I have already prepared my skin, so I'll be doing just makeup in this 5 minutes, and I'll try to use every product which we usually use. As you can see, I have applied foundation and now I'm blending it with the help of a beauty blender. And guys, I have not edited this video, so you will be seeing exact 5 minutes how I do my makeup. Now I'm applying concealer, and this concealer is from Swiss Beauty, and I'll apply it over my lids and all the highest points. And guys, in this part I forgot to conceal my under eyes, so that was a mistake, and that's because I tried to do my makeup in hurry. Here I'm blending my concealer with same beauty sponge which I use for foundation. Now I'm picking up my sugar palette and I'll be contouring my face, and in the mirror you can clearly see what is my bottom wear. So yeah, whenever I shoot you will be seeing only my upper part, so I always wear a top, and in bottom I always wear a pajama because it doesn't make a sense, right? Because it will be not showing in the camera also, so what's the need of wearing? And this video is not edited, so you are seeing everything. I'm highlighting all the highest points of my face. Guys, I'm not giving a tutorial in this video, it's a fun makeup challenge video, so just enjoy this video. In this video you'll be seeing me searching for things because that's what I do when I shoot something. And yes, I keep all my stuffs which I need during a video, but still I'll be forgetting them and searching them. Now I'm filling my brows using an eyebrow pencil. I know that I'm not filling it properly because I have very less time. I have to complete each and every step, and I'm applying an eyeshadow using the highlighter from the sugar palette. And now I'm searching for something. What? Yeah, I'm applying mascara, and this mascara is from Maybelline. You have always seen this in my videos. Now the mascara is done and I'm searching for something again, and that is a lipstick, and I'll be applying a liquid lipstick, and this is from, I think this is from Kiss Beauty, and you can see how much time I'm taking applying a lipstick, and I'm never satisfied with how my lipstick has turned out. So now again I'm searching for something. Yeah, I'm taking this contour shade from the palette and I'm applying it onto my crease line so that I could get a nice eyeshadow look, even though I have only 5 minutes, and I'm contouring my nose also a little bit. And I'm again applying some eyeshadow onto my crease line, and I'll be applying highlighter on the center of my lid again. And after that, what I'll be doing, yeah, I'm telling you guys that I have 1 minute left, and in that 1 minute I'll be applying an eyeliner, and this is from Maybelline, and I'll be not putting out any wing. I'll be just drawing a simple line because you know that putting out a wing is a little bit difficult. and I have some time left, and in that time I'm trying to correct my makeup. I am blending my contour and then I'm trying to give some finishing touches to my eyebrows because it was not nicely done. And yeah, time's up and my makeup look is also done. And this is my final finished look. I know this is not the best one, but this is the best I could do in 5 minutes. And I've also not applied compact because I have dry skin, so I usually don't feel the need to apply a compact. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please like this video and comment down below, and please share this video with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys with a brand new video. Till then, bye, take care.